Welcome to Join Nature Explorers. You have a passion for village-style cooking, traditional dishes, and exploring the unique cultures and lifestyles of rural communities? You're in the right place. By becoming a member of our channel, you'll gain access to exclusive content and experiences that bring you closer to the heart of these fascinating worlds. Here's what you can expect when you join. Early access to new videos. Be the first to enjoy our latest content. Exclusive members-only videos showcasing in-depth looks at rural traditions and recipes. Special shoutouts and recognition as a valued member of our community. Connecting on social media for more personalized interactions and updates, and so much more. Become a member today and immerse yourself in the rich flavors, vibrant cultures, and breathtaking landscapes that make up our incredible world. By joining us, you're not just supporting our channel, you're becoming part of a global community of explorers who love to learn, cook, and celebrate together. Let's explore the world, one dish and one tradition at a time. Thank you for being a part of our adventure. Your support means everything to us.